Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to pay TikTok ads without Apple Pay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the official TikTok ads website and access your TikTok ads manager. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Tools tab at the top of the screen and select Finance tab from here. Inside this section, go to Payment, where TikTok lists all your linked payment options. Click on Add a Payment Method, and you'll see a list of available payment options in your country. These may vary depending on your location. Choose the one that suits you best, such as a debit or credit card, and enter the required details like card number, expiry date, and CVV code. After entering your information, double-check that your chosen payment method is supported in your region, as TikTok's available options differ by country. Once done, click Submit to save your new payment method. This will allow you to start or continue running ads without relying on Apple Pay. And that's it. So that is how you can pay TikTok ads without Apple Pay. So that's all for this video. Thanks.